welcome back to Lego Star. Today I'm going to show you 25 different ways on how to build Lego plants. So I'm going to show you each of them individually, so let's begin. Here's the first plant. So this one has a 1x5 plate at the bottom, and we have 2 leaves on each side, a green flower in the middle, and then we have lots of blue flowers going along and a purple gem on top. So that is the first way on how to build a Lego plant. Time for the second one. Here's the next one. So we have this rounded off 1x2 plate at the bottom with 2 leaves, and then a brown jumper plate with a orange leaf and a red flower on top. So this is the second plant, and now we will move on to the third one. This one is made of lots of leaf pieces and only green. So here we have a little flower piece at the bottom, and then we have some leaves going like around up to the top, and then we have a different color green for the flower on top. So that is the third plant. For the fourth one, we have a bit of a smaller one. So at the bottom, I've used a little cupcake piece to act as like the pot for the flower. We have this dark green leaf, and then a light pink flower with a pink flower on top. So this is the next flower. So the fifth one we have is this one right here. So we have this piece connected together, so you can like display it like this, or like you can angle it up. So this one has like multiple flowers on it, and so we have 2 green ones and this yellow one on this like pin, and then we have a bee over here. So this is the next way on how to build a plant. The sixth one is this one here. So here's the plant. We have a leaf piece at the bottom with this trans blue brick with a circular plate on top that has a blue flower, a dark blue flower, and another green leaf with a light blue flower on top. So that is the 6th plant. For the 7th one, we have another small one. So we have like a magenta flower at the bottom with this white piece on top, and this green stem over here with a light pink flower on top. So this is the next way on how to build a plant. Next, we also have this one. So there's a little black piece here, and we have a gold pin attached to it with a orange leaf and a pink flower. The next one we have is this one. So this one is a bit more unique. So we have this white piece at the bottom, and we have this black piece here. I'll actually remove it so you can see like how it's built closely. So there's basically 3 components. So this piece there's like a black hook in the middle. Just try and make it more clear. So there's a black hook in the middle with this little piece that has two hooks on either side. So one is like this, and then the other hook is on this side. And that's where these two pieces connect. So you have this one with a yellow flower on it, and then the exact same but with a pink flower on it. So that is the next plant. For the 10th plant, we have a simple climbing vine. So this vine has lots of leaves on it, and I've added some yellow and pink gems. So that's the 10th plant. The 11th way to build a plant is, so you have this round plate at the bottom, and what I've done is added two 2x2 circular plates with like a stud in the middle, and I've added like these curved tiles all along with this green plant piece and a green flower on top. So let's move on to the next one. So here's the next one. We have this green piece at the bottom and a plant on top with a green flower with a purple flower, and then we have this pink one on top. So that's this plant. We also have this cool plant. So what I did is I added a 1x1 transparent orange stud at the bottom, plate, and then we have this clear minifigure head, and then a white flower with an orange leaf, and this pointy orange translucent piece at the top, like that. So that is that plant there. So for the 14th plant, we have this one. So it has a white pot at the bottom and this large leaf piece which has like 3 different leaves attached to it, and we have alternating like dark pink and light pink flowers in the middle, and then we have this leaf piece on top with a pink flower. So that is the 14th plant. Next one we have is this one. And remember, if you want to like make these yourself, you can use them in any color. So like you can have the tiles or like plates in the different color than I used. But these are just like the different techniques you can use to make like the flowers and which pieces and bricks you can use. So this one has a neon yellow plate with these 2 brown ones as well, and we have another one of the yellow ones here, and a green plant with a purple flower on top. So that is the 15th plant. Time to move on to the 16th one. So here it is. So for this design, I have used a light pink flower at the bottom with this cool red piece over here, which goes like over and like rounds it off and we have this green stem piece that has like 6 different like sticks coming out of it. So I've sticked on like some flowers in pink and red. Some are like these small ones and the others are these larger ones like this. So that is that flower there. For the next one, I have used some more translucent bricks. This time it's in the color blue again. And we have some teal pieces over here and here. And a light blue flower on the top. So that is the next plant design. Time to move on to the next one. For the 18th plant, we have this one. So there's a pin piece at the bottom, kind of like this one at the back here. So we have this piece at the bottom, but in white. And then we have the cylinder piece that's like short from the top and then like wider at the bottom. And then we have this stem piece in green and this piece here that has 3 sticks attached to it, like that. And then I have added a yellow flower on the top. So that is the 18th flower. Next one, we have the 19th flower. I'll just get it from here. So, this one has a white plate at the bottom with a translucent pink brick and another plate here with that same pin piece and that cylinder piece here. This time it's in purple and it's clear. We also have the same stem piece with the 3 sticks, and on each of them I've put a pastel purple, a mint color, and a light pink. So that is the 19th plant. So let's go into the next one. For the 20th plant, we have this clear 2x2 brick that's like rounded on the bottom, and we have this clear cage piece on top, and in the middle we have a light pink flower, a yellow flower in the middle, and then another pink flower on top. And then on top of the cage, we have a green plant with a pink flower on top. So that is the 20th plant design. So here's the next one. In this one, I have used some alternating leaf colors from like light green to dark green. And then I've used this egg piece on top, and I've added a little bow. So that is another way on how to build a plant. Next, we have the tallest one out of all of them. So at the bottom, we have this translucent orange 1x1 brick with a white flower and another orange piece with this yellow one that has 2 studs on the front, which I have attached a green plant piece that has a orange leaf on top. Next, we have a green leaf with this clear piece over here at the top that is holding up the leaf, the orange leaf at an angle. And I have also attached a white flower at the top to match the one at the bottom where the translucent bricks are. So that is the 22nd way to build a plant. We're almost at the end, and now we have the 23rd way to build a plant. So this one has mostly white, and we have this piece here. And what I have done is placed like a little like bar or like a stick in the middle in white to like hold up this piece here. because that's actually not attached to this plate here. So it's connected with like a bar, so it's holding everything together. And then we have this green leaf piece and a green flower, which is upside down, and that holds the white flower at the top. So that is the 23rd way on how to build a plant. So this one we have here, I have added some brick pieces at the bottom just to make it a bit higher. And what we have here, a Technic brick with 2 red Technic pins on this one and this one. So we have attached some orange leaves to them, otherwise they won't connect or they'll just fall off. And we have some yellow flowers. We even have some more orange leaves on the top with some coral flowers and a bee on this one. And we also have a jumper plate in the middle with a yellow plant and a flower on top. So that's the 24th way on how to build a plant. And now we have the last one, which is the 25th way. So here it is. I've used these 2 pieces at the bottom and then this large circle piece to be the base for all of these leaves that are in yellow, and some of them are raised higher so it wouldn't break apart. So we have those in like magenta, and in the middle we have like this bowl piece with a pink flower and then a yellow one on top. And then all around we have gems in different colors. So we have purple, pink, and yellow. And that's the last build on how to build a plant. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!